Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make basil hummus. First, gather your ingredients. You will need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of tahini and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Finally, measure out 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 1 clove of garlic. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious hummus. Now, let's get blending. Add the drained chickpeas, fresh basil, tahini, lemon juice, and the garlic clove into your food processor. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of cold water. Secure the lid and process the mixture until it becomes mostly smooth. While the processor is still running, slowly drizzle in the 1/4 cup of olive oil. This step helps create that wonderfully creamy texture we all love in hummus. It's time to perfect the flavor. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to your hummus. Give it a good taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference, maybe a little more lemon or salt. If the hummus seems too thick, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. Now, it's ready to serve with warm pita bread or crisp vegetables. To keep your basil hummus fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving again, you might want to add a fresh drizzle of olive oil and a few extra basil leaves for garnish. This hummus is incredibly versatile, perfect for a quick snack, a healthy lunch, or as a crowd-pleasing dip at your next gathering. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.